The AI agent action helps you manage customers without a complex setup. However, getting the perfect responses without the relevant business context is difficult. We've made it easier by adding knowledge-based search to the action. Let's check what has changed and how it works. With this addition, you can connect multiple knowledge bases to your AI agent action, retrieving only the relevant information when needed, allowing the agent to refer to them in its responses with static or dynamic queries. Let's go over how to add knowledge-based search to your agent's toolset. Add an AI agent action, then click plus Add Tool. Pick knowledge-based search as a tool inside the selector. Choose which knowledge bases the agent should search. Define a search query, then set the number of chunks the agent retrieves from the knowledge base. By using this tool, you can avoid front-loading the prompt with pages of business context, keeping your prompt light, reducing token usage, and delivering more accurate, grounded responses. We hope you enjoy it.